Hey guys, it's Joe with VMP. I'm here with Ben's 2017 Mustang GT. Ben brought the car to us to have some performance upgrades done to it. We installed our VMP Gen 2 Stage 2 Supercharger Kit with a VMP TwinJet 67mm throttle body and a 79mm pulley. The car laid down 633 horsepower on some pump 93 at around 17 degrees of timing. Pretty strong number, all things considered. Ben also had us install a JLT oil separator on the car. That's going to help keep the oil out of the air charge and help keep the timing a bit more consistent with the car and just help keep everything clean inside the engine. But all in all, Ben's had a couple weeks to drive the car. He's had some really good feedback for us, has a couple kill stories. I look forward to hearing some more stuff from him about how much he enjoys the kit. If you like this video and want to see more like it, click on our logo to subscribe to our channel.